Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Jeep Compass. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.